Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is yoga for bulletproof shoulders. Let's begin. Standing up nice and tall, interlace your fingers behind and rotate your shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now reverse circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. And from here, squat and sticking your hip a little bit behind. Create, open your arms, Y, letter of L, Y to W. Get letter of Y to W. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Okay, now one knee down. Keep other knee bent. Okay, from here, inhale and exhale. Extend your left arm, same time right elbow. Try to reach to the floor like this. Okay. Inhale and exhale 2 and 3. It is okay if your elbow doesn't touch the floor. It's not a big deal. Try to reach downward. Okay. And extend your arms up. 6, 7, 8, 9, and look up if your neck is okay. And 10. Other side. From here. And this elbow, try to reach to the mat as a hand reach toward the ceiling. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And very good. Okay, now reverse tabletop. Okay, from here. So pointing your palm, fingertips outward from here and try to reach 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And let's do the other side. Make sure to keep your knee about your hip distance and toes straight. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Okay, now tabletop pose. From here, we're gonna do scapular push-ups, so which means just your shoulder blades pressing up like this. Small, okay? 3, very subtle, not big push-up. 4, 5, press your palms down. 6, shoulder blades away toward the ceiling. 7, 8, 9, and 10. And relax, little pause. Okay, so next one, we're gonna do again tabletop pose. And from here, and one hand up, hold around your head, and press your shoulder, move your scapula, and look up, down, down. Ready? So let's change from here. Press your shoulders away and open and close. From here, 1. Other side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. And from here, so you're gonna extend your arm to the side, okay? And then bend your other elbow and try to turn, rotate, and inside the shoulder, try to reach to the floor like this. Ready? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Okay, now toes kissing. Open your knees about the mat distance. Sit on your heels. And child pose, Balasana. And however, turn your palm out. And spend about 5 deep breaths here. This sequence is designed to strengthen your shoulders and make them resilient. I recommend you do it as often as you need. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!